Yeah, before the video starts, this is different from my other content. Um, yeah, it's just because I wanted to put a longer upload up, so go ahead and follow the recipe if you want. And, yeah. Okay, today I'm gonna teach you how to make a peach freezy pop. Mind the bottle of Chile over there. And, yeah, let's go. Um, you're gonna wanna get a peach that's a few days old and mushy, and you're gonna wanna cut vertically and diagonally. And cut it with a knife or whatever you have. It just doesn't matter. You're going to want to cut your peaches into 4 slices and remove the pit. Now the next thing you want to do is put your peaches into a cup. I have this clear little plastic cup, but a big plastic cup or a container would work as well. Now since this cup is a little bit small, I'm just going to put 2 peaches in one cup and 2 peaches into another cup. Um yeah, just like this. Yeah. Okay. Now you're gonna go ahead and want to turn the peaches into like a mushy paste thing. And to do that, you're gonna want to repeatedly stab it with a fork. It's important that you use a fork. It doesn't matter what type of fork. It could be plastic or metal. You're just gonna want to completely stab it, and it will turn into a paste such as this. Now your peaches should look like this, and we're gonna add a little bit of water. It doesn't matter what type of water you're using. I'm using tap. You can use filtered. Now you're gonna get your fork and mix in the water. You're gonna want to mix it in pretty good. We add water because it makes it easier to freeze when you put it in the freezer. So yeah. Now that you're done mixing all the water, you're going to want to put your sugar. I have Splenda. I use 2 packs of Splenda, but it doesn't matter how much sugar you use or what type of sugar. And you're just going to want to pour your sugar into the peach thing. And once you put it in, you're going to want to mix it. You're going to want to mix it good so it can go everywhere. Now we're going to add our jelly. And you're going to want to use a knife. It doesn't matter what type of knife. Even a spoon would work. But you're going to want to grab some jelly on it. About this much. And put it into your peach thing. And then once you put it in, you're going to want to mix it in with a fork, not a spoon. And then you're going to want to put them into a handle shape so you can grip it once it's frozen. You're just going to want to move to your nearest freezer and put it in the coldest spot there is in your freezer. Yep. And then wait for a day or 24 hours. Just give it time to freeze, and it should be ready by the next day. Well, it's the next day, and you're gonna want to take your peach thing out of the freezer. I did change freezers, but now we're just gonna go ahead and defrost this. So yeah. Now you're gonna go ahead and want to defrost it. You're gonna get some hot water from your sink and go all around the cup. Don't make sure not to melt it. You just want to make sure it's easy to pull out of the cup. And yeah. And this is how your peach thing should look like in the end. And bye. I now have an Instagram, Real Trash Pockets. Go follow me or something. Bye.